Use the vector method to show that the lines with equations r equals 1, 2, negative 3 plus lambda 3, negative 2, 6 and r equals negative 7, 9, negative 2 plus mu 4, negative 6, 5 do not intersect. We covered this a bit in the last example. So what we need is for 1, 2, negative 3 plus lambda 3, negative 2, 6 to be equal to negative 7, 9, negative 2 plus mu 4, negative 6, 5. And we need to show that there are no values of lambda and mu that are going to work for this situation. So 1 plus 3 lambda, just using the I components, would be equal to negative 7 plus 4 mu. 2 minus 2 lambda would be equal to 9 take away 6 mu. And negative 3 plus 6 lambda is equal to negative 2 plus 5 mu. Equations 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to choose to work here with equations 1 and 3. I'm going to start by doing equation 1 times 2, which would give me 2 plus 6 lambda is negative 14 plus 8 mu. Okay, if we call that one 4, then if we do equation 3 take away equation 4, that will get rid of the lambdas because we can see we've got 6 lambdas in each one. So negative 3 take away 2 is negative 5. The lambdas, of course, will cancel out. Negative 2 take away negative 14 ends up being 12. And then we have 5 mu take away 8 mu, which is negative 3 mu. That gives us that 3 mu is equal to 17. So mu is equal to 17 over 3. If we have mu is equal to 17 over 3, let's go back into equation 1. So 1 plus 3 lambda would be negative 7 plus 4 times 17 over 3. So 1 plus 3 lambda is negative 7 plus 68 on 3. And so 3 lambda is going to be negative 8 plus 68 on 3. 3 lambda is going to be negative 24 on 3 plus 68 on 3. So 3 lambda is going to be 44 on 3. So lambda is going to be 44 on 9. Okay, so we used the first equation and the third equation. So these values will give us points where the x and the z coordinates of the point, or the I and j components, are the same. But if we want to show they don't intersect, what we need to then show is that the y doesn't work. So we have 2 take away 2 lambda, 2 take away twice 44 on 9. So that's going to be 18 on 9. Take away 88 on 9, which is negative 70 on 9. Then using the other side, we've got 9 take away 6 times 17 on 3, which is 27 on 3 take away 102 on 3, which is negative 85 on 3. And the fact that these two are not equal tells us that there is a separation in the y-coordinate or in the j component, and therefore there is no intersection.